Combination cooking uses both dry and moist heat cooking methods. The ingredients are first browned and then slowly simmered in a liquid. Braising, stewing, and pot roasting are the most familiar combination cooking techniques. These techniques allow you to turn tough cuts of meat into tender and succulent dishes. In this lesson, you will learn how to choose the right cut of meat and why certain cuts are better than others. You will then learn how to start building flavor through browning and caramelization. Lastly, you will learn about the importance of the correct liquid-to-meat ratio and why low and slow cooking is vital in creating fork-tender results. By learning just a few key steps, you will be on your way to creating your own flavorful and tender braises, stews, or pot roasts, without the need for a recipe.